Hi, I'm Dalia, and today we're making a breakfast dish, a very, very delicious breakfast dish, or even you can have it as a snack. It's a Middle Eastern styled oatmeal. I love oatmeal and I love tahini, and if you know me and you've seen my stuff, you know that I put tahini everywhere, and also in my oatmeal. Super delicious. I'm also gonna add a little bit of peanut. Really, really good, really, really simple. So let's start. So I have oatmeal with almond milk cooking here. You can use regular milk, but this is a dairy-free version. And just cook your oatmeal as instructed on the pack. These are quick cooking, so they shouldn't take more than a few minutes. So we'll chop up some dark chocolate. Now this is where the sugar comes in, but it is dark chocolate. You can use milk chocolate as well if you want. I'm not going to add any sugar, but I'm going to sweeten it with bananas. And these bananas, as you can see, have seen better days. But the good thing about overripe bananas is they really sweeten your dish naturally. I'm just gonna chop these up really roughly. They're so soft. Once it comes to a simmer and it thickens a little bit, we'll add our bananas. And because these are overly ripe, I am putting them in my oatmeal versus topping it. So this is almost done. Well, it is done. It just thickens a little bit more when it cools. So what we're gonna do now is we're going to add our flavorings. So we have tahini. I'm basically giving you inspiration for a Middle Eastern style oatmeal, but please put as much or as little as you want. So this is peanut butter because I love peanut butter. And then I always like to add a little bit of salt. Now I'm going to add the chocolate to my little bowls. A little bit of the chocolate. You can put a little bit more of this. Some nuts. Sesame, so that you know there's tahini in there. So that's number one. This version is going to have pomegranate seeds, a little bit more tahini, dollop of peanut butter, nuts, pomegranate. Last version, this one is a combination of both. So we're gonna have chocolate, nuts, sesame, and there we go. That's a combination of the two. And here you have your little oatmeal bowls. I'm very happy with that. I hope you like it. Hope to see you next time.